Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best smart sprinklers on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Rakio 3 Smart Sprinkler. If you're in search of a smart sprinkler that effortlessly combines easy installation with functionality, look no further than the Rakio 3 Smart Sprinkler. With its slim plastic body and LED light bars spanning the cover, it adds a sleek touch to your outdoor setup. The LED serves as an alarm, instantly notifying you when a zone is being watered or if there's a system error. And with multiple zones, 2 terminal connections, and 2 sensor connections for rain or water flow measurement, you know it'll offer comprehensive control. With its innovative design, user-friendly app interface, and compatibility with various smart home platforms, this is the best overall choice on our list. Number 2. Orbit B-hyve Smart Sprinkler. With its sleek gray plastic body and exceptional performance, the Orbit B-hyve Smart Sprinkler offers a perfect balance of style and functionality without breaking the bank. This smart sprinkler stands out from the rest with features like an integrated enclosure, a safety error alarm, and options for 4 or 8 zones, making it great for yards of different sizes. Simply put, whether you have a small lawn or a large one, this sprinkler provides efficient watering in no time. Best of all, control is at your fingertips through the user-friendly app, meaning you can stay updated with real-time weather information thanks to the built-in weather sensor technology. Number 3. Wyze WSPRK1 Smart Sprinkler. Looking for a smart sprinkler but don't want to pay an arm and a leg for it? Boasting a user-friendly design and advanced features, the Wyze WSPRK1 Smart Sprinkler is the most budget-friendly product on this list. With its 8 zones and ET sensor that adjusts watering based on precise weather conditions, this smart sprinkler ensures optimal irrigation for your lawn. Simply schedule the zones and let the system take care of the rest. You can also monitor and manage your sprinkler conveniently through the accompanying app, which lets you set watering schedules and track zone performance. So, what are you waiting for? Achieve a well-maintained and healthy lawn with this affordable and efficient smart sprinkler. Number 4. Netro Smart Sprinkler. The Netro Smart Sprinkler Controller is a weather-aware, Wi-Fi connected sprinkler controller that can help you save water and money. It uses local weather data to automatically adjust your watering schedule, so you never have to worry about over or under watering your lawn. You can also control your sprinkler system remotely from your smartphone, tablet, or computer. The Netro Smart Sprinkler Controller is easy to install and use. It replaces your existing sprinkler controller and connects to your Wi-Fi network. Once it's installed, you can use the Netro app to create a personalized watering schedule for your lawn. The app takes into account your lawn type, soil conditions, and local weather data to create a schedule that will keep your lawn healthy without wasting water. You can control your sprinkler system from anywhere in the world with the Netro app. This is perfect for when you're on vacation or away from home on business. Number 5. Rainbird ST82.0 Smart Sprinkler. When it comes to the Rainbird ST82.0 Smart Sprinkler, appearances can be deceiving. Don't let its classic plastic body fool you. This sprinkler is a true performer. With its 8-zone capability and weatherproof case, it's ready to tackle all of your watering needs. What's especially unique about this smart sprinkler, though, is its ability to attach pictures to each stone, making identification a breeze. Harnessing the power of ET technology, this sprinkler automatically adjusts watering based on weather and moisture levels. Plus, the accompanying app keeps you informed about schedule changes, delays, seasonal adjustments, and weather alerts. And, as the cherry on top, it seamlessly integrates with iOS, Android, Alexa, and Google Assistant for added convenience. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.